Now, heavy rains continue to lash Delhi and parts of the national capital region for the second consecutive day. Early morning showers have led to waterlogging at several places in Delhi. This comes as disruptions have been reported across of Delhi. In fact, this has disrupted traffic at the Rani Jhansi Road, MB Road at Lal Pond, and the Anandmai Marg near DD Motors fully submerged. Streets were waterlogged at Baraf Khana as the city continues to receive rainfall. Delhi, in fact, received 21.5 mm rainfall until 5:30 a.m. The Indian Meteorological Department has predicted thunderstorms with light to moderate rain to continue in southwest Delhi and its neighboring areas, including Ghaziabad, Noida, Faridabad and Gurugram. The IMD has predicted that the national capital will receive rainfall until the 25th of August. In fact, the heavy downpour that started yesterday left many areas of Delhi and Gurugram flooded, leading to long traffic jams and disrupting normal life. Now here we're looking at just a few hours of rain. In fact, yesterday it rained, poured quite heavily and eventually led to waterlogging, and then rains began again last night. After a few hours, reports are coming in from many areas across of Delhi and Gurugram, severely waterlogged, flooded, inundated, several cars. There was damage to property reported from many parts of Delhi and Gurugram. Here we're looking at rains battering certain areas of the national capital. Of course, a lot of question on the infrastructure, the civic infrastructure now coming to light. Are the drains prepared? Are the roads ready to handle bouts of rains of this intensity? Let's quickly cut across to Ashutosh Mishra, joining us for more details on that. Ashutosh, what's behind you? What we see here is a few hours of rain and Delhi, Gurgaon there battered. Take us through the mayhem that you see on ground.
So, Nabila, this morning when I stepped out from my house, so I could see the water logging right in those complex particular area, and that explains how the drainage system has completely been destroyed in almost all these metro cities, be it Delhi, Noida or the Gurugram. So there are hardly some preparation. What we know that there is a huge water logging being reported in Nangloi, in many parts of North Delhi, many parts of West Delhi and also South Delhi. As far as Lutyens Delhi is concerned, where I am reporting at the moment, I can see still situation better, but because of the heavy rain which is pouring since 3 a.m. non-stop, so that is also creating a degree of traffic jam in many pockets. But yes, it is indeed a mayhem because few hours of rain and our metro cities, including the national capital, fail to normalize the situation, to bring back the traffic in a normal way because of the waterlogging in many parts and many sectors.
Do stay with us. What we see here is, of course, quite upsetting. Undoubtedly, this is something that we're seeing time and again, that a bout of rain and the entire city gets flooded. And that's what happens time and again that we're seeing here. Of course, let's quickly cut across to Anisha as well. Anisha also joining us for more details on that. Anisha, the rains that we see here is, of course, leaving the entire city of Delhi as well as Gurugram completely inundated. But before we come to Anisha there, let's quickly cut across to some news coming in. Delhi NCR rain forecast here. We're going to take you through in detail. Delhi NCR rain forecast for today. Thunderstorms, light to moderate rainfall has been reported. It's exactly what is being predicted by the Met Department. In fact, here we're looking at 10.2 mm wind. In fact, here rainfall precipitation is reported to be at 10.2 mm, while the wind is reported at 11 kilometers per hour. Flooding and traffic jams reported. In fact, the Met Department predicting rainfall in Delhi NCR region until the 25th of August. This is the prediction coming in from the Delhi NCR region. The Met Department giving out some forecast here for today's thunderstorm. Light to moderate rainfall, which is reported to be at 10.2 mm and wind speed at 11 kilometers per hour. Flooding and traffic jams reported. Met Department, they're predicting rainfall in Delhi NCR region until the 25th of August. Quickly cutting across to Anisha Mathur for more details. Anisha, take us through what we have, what we see here behind you. Just poor planning is what we believe is the reason for the entire city to be flooded. Delhi and Gurugram across, we're looking at flooding, inundation, drains being clogged. It's just quite a shame that just a few days of rain and the entire city's infrastructure is more or less exposed. Would you believe this is poor planning? What's behind you?
Well, Nabila, we're at the Minto Bridge in central Delhi, which has been the site of major flooding and waterlogging for decades now. This is basically one of the oldest roads in the city, which was built during the British period, and we see this kind of flooding here every year. For a change, however, Nabila, if you can see behind me, the traffic is moving. There is no jam here at the moment. Even though there is slight waterlogging, we have seen reports of waterlogging from various areas in Delhi, in Jhilmil Colony, Pul Prahladpur. There was some traffic jam due to waterlogging near the Jhandewala and temple areas. We've seen reports coming in from South Delhi and more. However, most of the flooding, bad flooding that's been reported has been not from central or the more the central areas of Delhi, but from the outskirts, from Pul Prahladpur. We've seen in Jhilmil Colony, which is mostly an unauthorized area. What Delhi suffers from mostly is the sheer amount of traffic and construction that is built. This is something that we've been dealing with for years in this city, that every year, because of more and more unauthorized colonies being built, because of more and more encroachments and drains are covered by unauthorizedly, the drains are not cleaned properly. That is why this happens to Delhi every single year. Today at least, however, since last night, the rain in Delhi has been intermittent and it has not been heavy rain but light to moderate rain, which is why we haven't seen severe waterlogging anywhere in the what we call the traditionally waterlogged areas in central Delhi, where most of the traffic congregates. ITO is clean, the old Delhi railway station area is clean, this Minto Road area is clean, even Jhandewala and Barakhamba, as well as near the old fort area, which are normally.
So what you're saying that every other area across of Delhi and Gurugram is flooded, and that's truly exposing the poor infrastructure across of the national capital, even Gurgaon there for that matter. You please take care of yourself. We understand several of them have been trapped in low-lying areas. In fact, loss to property, damage to property has been reported from across. Thank you, Anisha, for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.